Hey y'all. Y'all know I'm Southern and I have never had fried green tomatoes. So we're making fried green tomatoes today. Brenda Gantt's recipe. Can't believe I've never had fried green tomatoes. That's what we're doing. Now, she does not slice them. She dices them. And the reason she said she does this is because it keeps them from absorbing so much grease. So we're going to dice them up just like she did. I'm going to cut out the little core. So how are y'all doing this morning? And she made them for a snack. She said you don't even need to eat these like with a meal. She was frying them up. So y'all go watch her video too. But she was frying them up and was going to watch Andy Griffith. I thought that was the cutest thing. Okay. And also, she said, kind of make them relatively small so that they get done throughout. That's kind of a lot. I think I'll start with that. Okay, the only thing we do is we add about a tablespoon of buttermilk and just pour it right on. This is just to coat them a little bit. We're going to stir that in. Okay, now we use about a 1/3 cup of cornmeal. You don't have to measure this. Just put that right on. And then about a tablespoon of flour. So just a little bit of flour. And she said that makes it stick together really good. And we're going to add salt and pepper. Now I like a lot of pepper on about everything I eat. So I'm going to do quite a bit of pepper. And just a little bit of salt. Okay. And we'll get that nice and coated. And she said they shouldn't be wet. So if they're still wet, then maybe put a little more cornmeal in. Looks nice and coated. I'm going to get my grease heated up. Now you want your grease to be nice and hot before you put them in. So when I think it's about ready, which it's looking kind of ready, I'm going to drop one piece in and see if it keeps sizzling. And it's not, it's kind of like fizzled out, so I'm not thinking the grease is hot enough. Okay, there it goes. Hear it? All right, we're going to put some more in. I'm going to use my little slotted spoon. We're just going to put them right in. Easy. It looks like I'm frying apples. Do you guys make these? Can't believe I've never made these. Last one. Okay, and she said don't stir a lot because it'll cause the, what she calls the goodies to fall off, the cornmeal to fall off. Okay, I'm gonna set this to the side. I'm gonna get us a plate ready with some paper towels. I have my heat on high. Ooh, Ooh, looking good. Just gonna clean up a bit. Let's check them. I think I want them to be nice and golden brown. I might be stirring too much. I'm gonna hold off. Something I am noticing is that the cornmeal is not sticking to the skin side of the tomato. Okay, they're starting to look pretty dark. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take them out. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, yummy. Ooh, look at this. These look good. They smell good. It kind of smells like fried okra. Let's give one a try. Look at this nice coating. I'll give you an up close. Wow, that's interesting. It almost has a sweet taste. Not what I thought it was going to be. Let's taste that again. I like it. If someone were to hand me this, I would not know it's tomatoes. I would not guess it's tomatoes. It has a tangy taste to it. A tangy, sweet taste, if that makes sense. The cornmeal sets it off. You have to use cornmeal. That gives it a nice crunch texture. Well, Miss Brenda Gantt, we made a Southern favorite. I'm loving it. I hope you guys try it, and thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe. I would appreciate that. Thank you.